I'm going to teach y'all how to make a maple liqueur. You can also make a maple bourbon. You can use vodka. You could use bourbon. You could use Jack Daniels. Use any vodka from the store. If you don't make liquor, this works well. If you make liquor, just use a quart of moonshine. A quart and a fifth, there's about this much fucking difference. I know people are like, there's not a difference. If you take a fifth of liquor and pour it in a quart jar, it's almost to the top. So you'll be all right. There ain't enough difference to really calculate much. In the end, this comes out about 50 proof, maybe 45, 50 proof, give or take. So here's the key. Is to get the best maple syrup you can. This is really good. Like, this tastes great. Like, you don't take somebody else's word for it. Don't take my word for it. Go and buy a bunch of different kinds of real maple syrups. Taste them and see which one you like, which one fits your palate the best. But this is a pretty good maple syrup according to me. I like the way it tastes. It's made by Bard Woods. It's pure Vermont maple syrup. It's organic. And you need one 16-ounce jar to make this. In a pot, I put one of these, 16-ounce jar. I split 2 vanilla beans down the middle, scraped them, put the scrapings in here, and I got 1 cinnamon stick. That's it. And I'm going to simmer this. I don't want this to boil. I just want this to get warm. Keep it warm. I got my setting on low over there. And keep a real close eye and keep this stirred. We just want to blend them flavors. And like I said, this is excellent with something that's wooded, just a regular whiskey. You could do this with Crown Royal. It'd be great. You can do this with a fancy bourbon if you want. It just depends how much wood you want on your tongue. I'm going to do it with clear liquor today. But I'm also going to do it with some whiskey that I made. And I'm also, later on, I'll do another video with, I'm going to do it maple bacon. I'm going to show y'all how to fat wash liquor. It's going to be awesome. I got to go get some really good bacon though. And I'm going to just get grocery store bacon. I ain't going to the deli. I'm going to get the best I could get at the grocery to pull out the most flavor, because I know people are going to want to recreate this. Not everybody has the luxury of knowing a butcher or being able to go to a deli and get some. So I'm just going to go to Walmart. I'm going to get some bacon. But that's another video. Let's make this maple liqueur. I'll be right back when this is done simmering. Alright, I just cut my heat off. You just want to get it good and warm. Get it melted together. I'm going to let this cool down, and as soon as this cools down all the way, I'm going to remove that cinnamon stick right there. We don't want cinnamon to be the star of the show. You want a little hint, just a little hint. If you want it to be strong in cinnamon, you can leave that in there. You can even put that in a jar and let it age. But I'll tell you, cinnamon takes over really quick. It will take over. I'll come back to you once this is cooled down. Remove that cinnamon stick.
Sorry.
Alright, now I'm going to dump it. Now I'm going to dump it in a bowl. Now I'm at a quart of 100 proof liquor. You could use 80 if you can't find 100. I made this myself. This is unpacked corn liquor. I'm going to stir that up for a few minutes, and then I'm going to put it in jars. Now it's time to jar it up. Now, the longer you let this sit, even better it'll get. But it is great right now. I mean, it is amazing. I'll try it for you. I'm going to tell you something. You can let this sit, but I don't know, man. It is so fucking good. It is crazy. Like this, check it out. It's like drinking French toast, but not just some janky French toast, but like the best French toast you ever ate in your fucking life. It is that good. It is just crazy, man. This is crazy good to me because I like French toast. I like maple syrup, and I don't know if you can make that better. Even like doing like a maple bacon, but I'm gonna have to do it. So keep an eye out. But let's make a cool. Let's find a cool bottle for this and make a sticker. I'll show y'all how to make stickers, because I know a lot of y'all make this shit at home and you end up buying stickers from some company. I'm going to show you how to make your own sticker right at the house. Go to Google Gemini and say, make me a badass sticker, and I want it to look like a stack of French toast with syrup dropping all over it. And I want it to say, Philbilly's Maple Liqueur. And this is what you get. Download the picture. You get these labels. 55164 Avery. You could get these from anywhere, but I get them from Amazon. Avery labels 55164. Put one in your printer, right? Take your image. Go to Avery templates, Avery labels, or avery.com/templates. Add your image. Add image. Browse. Gemini. Put that bad boy in here. And I don't know if you could see this because sometimes YouTube automatically blocks out computers, but. And then you just make it big. You see that red line? I'm going to go past the red line. Kind of want to make sure. Yeah, I'd say that's good. Right there, that's perfect. Now over here, preview and print. Keep them, continue anyways. Get PDF to print. I don't want to save it. Do not save. I could save it if I like it. Open PDF. This is a PDF file now. You could save it and you could print this every time now. So I'm going to print it. Oh, I got to put a label in. My desk is a fucking mess. Because I'm always working on 20 projects at a time. But you take you a label. Put it in here. Right. Put your labels in there. Come back over here. Print this bad boy. And then we're gonna wait on it. Yeah, it's a wreck over here. I got shit piled up here. Pictures and more labels. Serpentor keeps falling off the goddamn shelf because his feet are fucked up. I don't know what the deal is. Well, that's my mama. Y'all see my mom? That's my sister. That's my daddy. And we got labels. Here lately, people have been like, that's not moonshine, that's tax. Like, just because I print my own fucking pictures on a sticker don't mean it's, it's legit. Fucking dummies. Anyways, let's put this in a cool ass bottle, put a label on it, and see how it looks then. You don't ever want to fill one of these type of bottles past the neck. I'll show you the fill line. Right there. You fill it over that, then it'll, when it gets warm, the cap will pop off of it. There's one big one. And I only got one little one left. I need more bottles, but they're so expensive. I think this is going to be the last time I get little fancy bottles because I can't afford them no more. But fill this little one up with what's left in here. It don't get any smaller batch than that. It's a fifth and a pint. That might be a quart. I don't know. But look how cool that is, man.